Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Moore. Check her up and pop the balloon and find love. You hear that? Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, no man. We're golden. Bad artists, cool it. Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Another vlog. Let's go!
Me and the girls roll out, girls night out. Pocket full of money, yeah, team, so you know we think up. We know the pen pan boy, bad girl style. Little broke chop and move up. Designer team when we roll out. Top girl, we a lead them a shout out. And we not new to the game, so we make it big bells pop up. Yeah, me and my girls I go fuck up the night. Dress for impress, yeah, we in our vibes. Have a one money, so we do what we like. So no boy can't take me like no man clown can't par with me. Nah, no girl with no dog is straight. Top shelf, me and my friend them God bless. Yeah.
Guys, I don't know the girl Alicia Moore, and today we're on our next mission. Today we are at the studio because we're gonna do a little pop the balloon challenge with roll. It's so easy. That's the vibes for the day. We're gonna show on a little clip. We don't know enough. We can't show on everything. We have to just check out Roll It channel or watch the team. Yeah, Trouble Link. Yeah, you don't know what the sort of vibes there. Yeah, we're on the G outside again today, and it's gonna be a vibe. So we're just stay tuned. Anything else we're gonna happen through the vlog, we're gonna see it. But you don't know if to check in and make you know what I'm going. Alright, your girl Alicia Moore. Me and the girls roll out. Girls nights out. Bam!
Hi guys.
Turn our way back home. We are turning our way back home. Oh, yeah, they're right there. Turn our way back
So that's the only reason. So let's talk about it because I'm not interested. So maybe. How much? How much did I raise right now? Alright, so today you never find love, but you find couple 5 and 5, 10. Yeah? At least 3 today. Yeah, at least you get the 10. You get the 10 though. Yeah. And you get a 3, you get a 2. Yeah, we reach a 10. I would like one. Alright, big up yourself, yeah? Walk my grace. Alright. Give me that mic.
Make sure you subscribe, right? That may tell them.
Get to the balloon. Alright, so I'm going to pop one person balloon based on appearance. Papa balloon based on appearance.
Fuck that, yeah, we not spot that. Can I get some?
Papa
Oh, you want to ask me a question? Oh, my neighbor said, why you ask? It was too feisty, like, my like girl, like, one more dancing. Oh, you want my verse come over? No, no,
Okay, so based on the looks.
These are our questions.
Yeah. Based on the looks, you go for the most.
These are our questions.
You answer my question. Answer question for find out how expensive it is. Who you are? You have to tell me. So you just jump out of the picture, you now fight for no. You now fight for your own. Eh? Right. Where you are?
Tell you the truth, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say something first. One of them says light skin nigga looks dark, like we have the biggest father. You see the black man them dark, and them are with dark. Every girl want tall, black, thick man to see them off for them. But really and truly, bro, no matter how like the outcome, and you would like, you know, you pop your balloon, and a she
what?
She would like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like play with them brain, you know?
So. No, I didn't pop it. No, I didn't pop it. Okay, alright, so you know. Alright, so no, it's not that much. No, it's not that much. It's not that much. It's never happened.
Nature kid, you know. Nature, you know. Nature is me. Nature is me. Back at it again. Another dating show. Call me. Call me the number one. I don't know. Call me the number one match the meeting at the beginning. Anyway, guys, the last time I was doing with the rolling, pop the balloon challenge. Now we're with Sasik and Woody Plum, and we're doing bust a bubble, I think. Pop the balloon there. We don't know how to calm the female challenge. You can take your leg over. No? Oh, alright. So they are cool on with the goodies, alright? As I can see, this is backstage. They are warm up, they have a little drinky. All of the actors them over here, some hostesses, look at the nice beautiful ladies, good clown, see. Yeah, at dancing. Alright. So I know enough to check out the show, bust a balloon, find your match, find love. And I have to go call me the #1 bachelorette in Jamaica because I appear dating show me find my love. I need to find a man. So man them, if you feel like you have it, you don't know where to come. Alright? Bust a balloon. Yeah. Bust a bubble. Yeah. I'm going to go at that.
Ready.
So man them, if you don't want a chance with me, you don't know where to pop up, right? Bust a bubble. I'll be here looking for the man of my dreams. So I can just check in and see if you're not going to be my match, alright? Alright, make sure to check out that episode so it's like a lively, alright? The struggles of entertainment. The same. You're just talking to the Tuesday. Guys, when I come and look the man, them, I'm going to put on a Tuesday. Put on the good clothes like when I go for AC hotel, when I go for a keep Sunday for looking at them. I know the things like. When I put on the ease and put on the nice stress because no one man him look down and one say, Ray, not go. It's on in the face this now, no come out if you don't feel like you don't need no face here, you come out see me with the natural beauty. Man love them things the same way. But dress up, come on. Have a drink. That's nice so. Find a match. Bust a balloon. Find a match, you look rough. Can I try for you?
That spins for the type of female over the years. And we have the great personalities and great criteria. It have to do with she get me and me fair criteria. There's no much as it is. Because as I say, it's a man's world and a really a man's world. You see me? Because you feel like say yeah, you're not compatible and say no. So we have to see me. One line and factory and plaza like all the fun. You know what I mean? Yeah,
Being very successful, that's the aim, that's the goal, yeah.
Yes.
Being very successful.
Like that,
yeah.
that's the answer.
And
that I
hopefully
want.
having a good family as well, a nice
Yes.
man in the picture and thing for share that success with.
Well, if your skill is same here, well, just like your question, like your answer still. That
Thank
is the
you.
answer I'm looking for, right?
Thank you.
Alright, so do you have a problem dating a guy that have kids already?
How old are the kids?
Multiple. 4 kids.
You have 4 kids.
Mhm.
How old
13.
are the kids? Right.
Different mother. 4, 3, 1.
What's the relationship like with you and the baby
me and my baby
mothers?
mother, honestly, me and them, we deal based on the kids. So we don't have a relationship.
So you co-parent, but there is no relationship, and they don't come
Exactly.
around calling your phone, watching your new girlfriends and stuff like
me and
that.
man, me set my thing how it's supposed to set.
You're
Nobody
not
can
saying that
call
for
my-
the camera.
No, nobody can pop up on my
So if
yard.
them see up on the internet right now and hear you
Yeah,
talk the
movie
talk,
star.
them not come in and comment
No,
section, come
no,
say, girl,
nobody
don't
can.
listen to him, don't mind him pitting them. Not like that.
Not like that.
Okay.
Not like that.
So-
But say if
okay.
you don't love my kids, them, I'm not gonna deal with you.
Okay.
Period.
So I don't have a problem with guys that have children because in the real world, people have kids. As long as you are a supportive father, that is one of the things that I look for because I will never date a man that I know he has kids and he's not taking care of his kids. As long as you're present in your children's life, that is what is important to me. So it's not really a deal breaker, but if you have baby mama drama, that is something that will let me skip the line.
No, I'm not a drama either.
Well, that's fine with me.
So I'm going to allow her to ask you guys a question, and based off your answers, then she's going to bust a balloon. Okay? All right, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna ask the question now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I want to know, what are you guys looking for in a female?
Okay.
Well, I'm looking for a lady that is ambitious, of attributes in life, and wanting to go somewhere in life, and someone that is loyal, because loyalty, you know, again in the social media mash up the woman them something, you know. So
I agree.
for me, loyal, me alright.
All right. You have kids?
No, I don't find that girl to give me that precious
No kids.
gem as yet.
Okay.
So
You want kids?
I'm here. Yes, I'm here to.
You need kids.
Yes, I'm here to find that girl today. if she
Okay.
wants
What's
to.
your sign?
Huh?
What's your sign?
What's my sign? Gemini.
You're a Gemini.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Repeat the question for me, please.
What are you looking for in a female?
All right, I'm
All
not
the
looking.
things you're
I'm not
looking
looking
for.
much into a female, honestly, because I'm not looking anything from her. I'm an independent person, same like you.
Right.
Only thing I'm looking for into a lady is when I come home, I just get some relief stress. Honestly, me as a man, I love sex. So if I can't deal with that, I'm sorry.
Okay.
May I tell you that straight up. And that's most of the reason why me and my lady them apart. Because we start off the relationship good, and then after that, everything just boil down. I'm gonna depend that. It have a constant. You
So
understand?
is it
me
a
nah
case
look-
where
no-
you wanna have like sex right through the day, all the time, every day, 7 days a week?
Yeah, but
7 days a
me not
week.
gonna pressure you all the time
Oh.
because I understand woman have the mood. You
Right.
understand? So I know how woman go on
So you
sometimes.
want to do it even when the woman have her time?
No,
You're
no,
not one of
no,
them, man.
no.
Okay.
But we just need somebody for just come home, rub my head, and just ask me some question, and maybe me even just fall asleep.
Sex with you and things?
Almost every day, of course. I tell you,
Almost
say
every
I
day.
love have sex. You think I joke my make?
No, I believe you. You're being
Oh,
very, very vocal about it. Okay.
So I come like fry planting.
Oh.
You avoid me too long, you get burned.
Okay.
A coolie, you know. Show you half coolie, you have.
That's what I was about to say. That's what I was about to say. Okay.
Alright, so come. Alright, so which one of those balloons will you bust based off their answers?
Should I go ahead and just pop the balloon?
And bust, yeah. One.
So, I love having sex, but I don't like to feel pressured into doing it. You know what I mean? And you was very honest about like how often you want it, but maybe what you're saying is way more than what it really is, and I don't think I want to take up that challenge because, you know, girl work, girl tired, girl don't always have 7 days a week to have sex. So yeah.
Okay. So the first couple who bust the balloon will win the date. Okay?
Alright.
Alright?
On your mark, get set, go. Man.
Nah, boss, I know. It's too tight, Nah,
It's too tight. Well, alright, but remember say him they don't tell us him I go fly out already, you know, so no good, you know, want nothing local, right?
Alright, we're good.
Alright, big up on yourself.
Know that you're a singer. You can sing something, little something for you.
Right now I'm promoting a song. It's called Girls Night Out. Me and the girls roll out. Girls Night Out. Pocket full of money, 18, so you know we sing up. We not depend on boy, cause a bad girl style tell a little broke chopper move up. Designer team when we roll out. Top girl we a lead them a shout out. And we not new to the game, so we make it big Ben spark up. Yeah, me and the girls are gonna rough up the night. Dress for impress, yeah, we in our vibes. Have one of money, so we do what we like. So no boy can't take we like, no man clown can't par with me. Nah, no girl with no doggy stray. Cause we a top chef. Me and my friend them, God bless. Good diplomats are sick. Tell them we and the girls roll out. Watch a girls night out. Alicia Moore on all social medias. Follow me.
Stay tuned, guys, for more. Okay?
All right. That was the end of the Busta Bubble dating show. You guys need to check it out. But no, I am a very open person. So I'm open to going on dates with these persons. You know what I mean? So it don't mean sex I go work out. If you see me and pick a man every week, it's because I'm dating and I'm trying to find a match. Okay? That's how single life is. Hello? Yes, I'm in. Alright, yes, for the night go with us out here. Jamaica's #1 bachelorette trying to find a match. So if you don't feel like saying I have what it takes and people are going to choose is not for me and I feel like I have it, so I'm going to sign up to one of them dating shows. You never know, you might see me on there, you might have a chance, you might not. Anyway, so that's the end of it, guys. This is gonna be a very short vlog. Basically, this is what the vlog is about, just me going on these dating shows and just putting myself out there and thing. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, make sure that you guys are leaving a comment on show my date when I just get come here the rest of myself. Dancers, next giant and myself will be going on a date. Alright, so we can look at it.
you guys could take it for a ride.
Show for this day.
I don't know because I'm still in the business. I'm late, but I'm still here.
Still here. So I don't know. Guys, make sure you comment and subscribe. And never know want to see about what's happening so far. Everything want to watch so far, alright?